The next fly we'll tie for the Western NC Fly Fishing Guide's Flybox is the egg. And the egg is really made very simple if you use McFly Foam. I put a big tungsten bead on the head of that thing. I use number 10 or number 12. I like better even yet. Scud hook. I pinch the barbs in advance, of course. I'm going to overwrap that thing. You don't have to go all the way back because you don't need to go all the way back to the bend. But I'm going to bring it back to about there and then stop about 1/8 of an inch behind the tungsten bead head. Snip off the extra. And here's the McFly Foam. It's what makes it so easy is the way it handles. I'm going to tie on a section over on the left side of it. Open it up. Take a couple wraps to secure it. I'm going to snip that off. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Sorry for my hand. Limited studio space here, you might say, with my iPhone video camera pretty close to this fly. Okay, now I got it secured on both sides. So since I do, I'm going to go pull these back like this and secure it behind the head real good. Do some whip finishes on it. Snip that excess off. So what you do next with this product is pull, with some effort, pull that fiber backwards towards you, or tension on it, so it stretches it. And when you snip this thing, it puffs out. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Kind of push them all together and trim it up a little bit. I like for that red head to show on it just because it's maybe it creates a strike point on the fly. I don't know if that's ever really been proven, but I like the idea a lot. And that's it. Going to add a little head cement on this thing just to make sure it doesn't come unwrapped. And that's it. That's a McFly Foam egg pattern, and that took maybe 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever. You can crank those out in quantity in no time at all. And like I said, when I'm going to sit down and tie flies, I'll get a lot of supplies ready to make up at least 6 to 12 patterns of the same fly at a time, and it just simply saves time. Learn how to hold on to those scissors until you're done and have your parts and pieces ready, and you'll tie flies a lot faster. That's it. The McFly Foam fly.